Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain Hunting Blonde, and today I am bringing to you guys 10 gifts for luxe lovers under $200. So I know that it can be really hard to buy for certain people who seem to, if you're like me, buy everything they want before Christmas, or someone who really likes high-end goods but you don't want to spend a ton of money. So today I have 10 gift ideas for you, and these are in no particular order. So first, let's start out with the very cute Hermes Twilly. So as you guys can see, it comes in this cute little round box that's tied with an Hermes ribbon at the top. These are in the US $160. Of course, you're gonna have to pay tax on them, so it's gonna make them a little more expensive. But if you were to get this, it basically comes wrapped itself in that cute little container. And then on top of it, it would come in an orange bag, which I think would make anyone excited to see under the tree. So this is the one that's in there. As you guys can see, it is one of the dual print ones. So I got this because I love the horse print. And then this is the print on the other side. It's more of just like a paisley print. It looks really cute when wrapped on a handle. So you don't have to buy this for someone who has Hermes bags. Maybe they don't have a Kelly, they don't have a Birkin. I still think it makes a great present because they're so cute and they can be wrapped on so many different bags. And I find that they're easier to wrap on bags than the Louis Vuitton bandeau, which would also come under the $200 mark, but is just a little bit thicker. So that's number one. Number two is for any handbag lover, they're gonna want something to clean their bags because heaven forbid something bad happens to their bag. So this is a gift set that I got last Christmas, which I use all the time. I just tied it back up again. From Loving My Bags, this comes in around $65. They do have different gift sets that range from, you can just buy one of these, which is like $20, to buying more of a set, which can be almost $100. But either way, they're great. They come with little cleaning cloths in there, so the person you're buying for doesn't need any other goods. They don't need cloths, anything like that. That is two. Three is one that I personally love and actually is a little bit of a reveal. So it's in this bag. These can be really, really hard to find in the US, which is unfortunate. But when you're in Europe, or if you're in Europe, which I am 1 week a month, definitely, you can find these pretty easily and they're really helpful getting them to you. So it actually got the little Christmas ribbon on there, which you can see a little better on the back. So this, it's like the packaging is adorable. Is a Vachetta Louis Vuitton luggage tag that I bought straight from Louis Vuitton, which is why I was saying it's really hard to get in the US, just because they have been told, the SAs have been told that they are not supposed to sell these. So if an SA isn't willing to give you a luggage tag, it's nothing against you. It's literally they've been told they're not supposed to. So this I bought in Zurich, so in Switzerland. This cost me about 56 US dollars, which is great because on the pre-loved market they can go for a lot of money. I haven't gotten it hot stamped yet because I can't decide what I'm gonna get on it, but I am gonna get it hot stamped. So much like the Twilly, as you guys could see, this comes in the cutest little dust bag and box. So again, no need to wrap it. And Louis Vuitton does do their Christmas wrapping around Christmas time, so you can always get that cute festive ribbon. So that is number three. I wanna make sure I'm on the right number. Number four is something that is for a little bit more for the jewelry lover in your life. So number four is this beautiful pendant, which you guys can see. That's actually a vintage Chanel button that a great talented designer who's based in LA does, and it's Old Soul Vintage Jewelry, and I will link her Instagram down below because that's where I've purchased through. She has like a link to her website. She's super helpful. I didn't initially like the chain that this was on, so she helped me make sure that I got the correct chain, and so she's been great, and she has such cute stuff, and this is really on trend, and I love that it is a vintage Chanel button. She also has Louis Vuitton, she has Hermes, I've seen Gucci, Saint Laurent, so she's got a lot of different options for the luxury lover out there if they're not, you know, a big Chanel fan. So number five, for me, number five is one of those things that people either love or they hate. I am a little picky when it comes to these, but I do love this one. So number five is the beautiful Lauderay charms. This is the box it comes in. And number five in general is just bag charms. Some people love them. And you know, there's very pricey, beautiful ones. Fendi makes, you know, the bag bug, which is they're really popular for. Louis Vuitton makes a lot of their ones that are canvas circle discs, but those are also really pricey. So this Lauderay charm is much more reasonable. It comes in a very cute, kind of fallen a little bit out of its packaging because I take it out all the time. You can buy this at the Lauderay store. It does not have to be at the one in Paris. I think they've changed this charm slightly. This charm is not brand new, but it's so cute. It's great for people and their keys. I put it on my bags. I just love it. It has the Lauderay charm, it has the Eiffel Tower, and it has the cute 3 little macaroons. So it comes in a bunch of different colorways. It's really cute. If I remember correctly, it was around $60, which is pretty pricey for a bag charm, but also if you're looking at a Louis Vuitton bag charm, they can sometimes be almost, you know, $1,000 if you're buying certain charms like their Vivienne charms. So definitely something to take into account is the Lauderay charm is cute, it is delicate, and it is more reasonable. I also think a lot of people like the puff, as I call them, the puffs, on their bags. I have not found one that I love yet, but I don't mind the idea of them. Again, Fendi kind of started that, but the Fendi ones are mink, 1, which I won't purchase, and 2, are very, very expensive. So 6. 6 is one that I think a lot of people love, and there's a lot of different price ranges that you can go with 6. So 6 is card holders. First off is my, oh no, he's getting a little mark on it, my Gucci Marmont card holder. This one is definitely more on the pricey side. Very cute. It matches my black small Marmont. That's why I bought it. I love this. I think card holders, there's a whole variety, and I'm going to show you a couple more. They can go from being pretty pricey, like this one, to more reasonable, like this slightly bigger Coach one that I picked up. It's a great blue. It is a very nice textured leather, so I don't think it's going to show a lot of wear. It is a little bigger, which I actually like, because sometimes I find the card holders a little restricting. And this one actually has a zipper top, which I really, really like. And you guys can see it's got a little keychain in there, so you could put your keys in here if you wanted. And I really love this one. And if I remember correctly, this came, I wish I still had the price on it. It does not. It was definitely under $100. You can definitely find them at the Coach outlet, and Coach outlet has a website, so you can definitely get this under retail, and it's just a great product. And I mean, Coach definitely has stepped up their game with certain products, and I have definitely noticed that. Their glove tan leather is amazing. And lastly, I don't actually know if I've ever showed this on my channel, is my Saint Laurent card holder that I bought from Net-a-Porter for around $100, which was amazing. Comes again, if you're buying this brand new and it's already like packaged for you, this is in that box. It comes with all its authenticity cards, and you wouldn't really need to wrap it, especially if it's coming from Net-a-Porter, because they have great wrapping. So this is my Saint Laurent card holder. It is in a pebbled, what they're calling, on the side of the box says brown, but it is definitely gray. The YSL is in a matte gray, and then the glazing on it is in a white, so it's a little bit of a pop of color. Just like the Gucci Marmont, it does have the center pocket. It then has 2 on the front and 2 on the back, which is a lot more than some of the other card holders. Like I know Louis Vuitton's card holder only has 1 and 1. Sorry about that, guys. Apparently I am not good at keeping my battery charged. So back on to our gifts for luxury lovers under $200. So 7, I would say, is any sort of bag accessory, like a bag strap. So bag straps can be really expensive. Again, Fendi has really capitalized on the bag accessories market, and they make beautiful bag straps, but they're very, very pricey. But then there are other companies. There are beautiful ones on Etsy, and I'm gonna link some down below. There are also some really cute ones from Rebecca Minkoff that can be reasonable, especially if you find them on things like Hot Look or Nordstrom Rack. So I think adding to someone's bag collection by having a bag strap kind of changes up the bag, and it's really fun. And so I'm definitely on the hunt for a good bag strap, as I have not found one that I want to purchase yet, but I definitely say for 7, bag straps are a great idea. Then there is 8. So for me, when I saw this, I knew this is something I wanted, but I would have never bought it for myself. So my future mother-in-law was really great, and she got it for me, and if you know me, this is very applicable. It's called Handbags, A Love Story. It is a coffee table book that is about all the great handbags from all the different designers. So we have things ranging from Alexander Wang to Louis Vuitton, Hermes, all of the bag brands in between. I love this book. There are a lot of other great coffee table books. I know Louis Vuitton does some, Chanel does some, and they can get really expensive. But I'm gonna link down below some of the places that I like to find these coffee table books from. This one retails at $100, so it's on the, I'll put in air quotes, cheaper end of the coffee table book world, but it's really great. I mean, it's a beautiful book. The inside of it is just like absolutely stunning. Like here, I would happen to open to Celine, which is like my favorite, and there's Celine, you know, I actually have that one. So I love this book. I love looking through this book. I think it's great for a handbag lover, and it kind of made me realize like, oh, maybe I should add that to my collection. So that was 8. For 9, I would say, and some people might think this is a little bit of a cop-out, but I think it's a great idea, is to get a bag organizer for someone. If you see someone who really loves their bag, but they maybe mentioned that they don't love that, you know, it's a deep dark pit, I'm thinking of like the Speedy or the Neverfull, a bag organizer is a great thing to get for them. You can buy bag organizers on a bunch of different places. There's Samorga, which is a little more expensive and takes a little longer, but great quality. There's Etsy. There is Amazon. I mean, there's a wide variety of places, and they will specifically say like, this is designed for X or Y bag. It's a great one. And lastly, number 10 is a gift card. And I'm not talking a standard gift card to Nordstrom's or Neiman Marcus, which nothing wrong with those, but I'm talking to, if they love to buy preloved gift cards. I love when my friends get me Fashion File gift cards or the Real gift cards, Yuki's Closet, Rebag, they all have gift cards, and it's great because there's a good chance that I've been looking at something on that website, but I haven't purchased it yet. And if I have a gift card, that's great. It goes towards getting a bag, and then when I see that bag, I remember that they helped me purchase it. So those are my 10 gift ideas for luxury lovers under $200. If you guys have any other ideas, please make sure to leave them in the comment space down below, because I'd love to hear. I know it can be hard to find something for a luxury person under, you know, even $1,000 is nowadays crazy to find something. So I hope these help. If you like these sort of videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is about once a week, minus my international travel that I keep having to do. If you guys want to see how I style my bags, please make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, which I have also linked down below in the description box. And lastly, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to tune into my next video and see you then. Bye guys.